Hello friends, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing some little stationery items from ArtsyA Design Co. We did a little collaboration and I drew and designed her some stickers, and I think that's what we have here. And I'm so excited to open these. I know they will be in her Etsy shop after this video, so be sure to check them out. They will be linked in the description box below, as well as her YouTube channel. I'm really excited to see what is in this package, so let's go ahead and open it. And this did accidentally get opened. It was sent to my dad's work, so he accidentally opened it, but let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay. Ooh, wow, look at her handwriting. Ooh, some extra little goodies. Okay, so we have some cute little friendship bracelets. How cute are these? These are adorable. I'm definitely going to have to wear these. Look at the patterns. This one is super cute. Okay, and then we have this cute little clip. I love the little toucan on there. Those are super fun colors. Okay, and then first off, we have this cute little letter that she made me. Look how darling that is. I love how she decorated the envelope with all of the stickers and little stars. And then we have this little piece of paper that tells us what is inside our little package. So we have a short letter, ArtsyA Design Co. Visco/trendy stickers, ArtsyA Design Co. Winter Wonderland stickers, Create with Lulu boho stickers, Create with Lulu trendy stickers, and a couple of extra goodies. So let's go ahead and see what else we have. Okay, here are some of the stickers that I designed, and they turned out so cute. I don't know about you, but I am in love with these colors right now. They are so cute, and I love how these turned out. So let's go ahead and open these. Ooh, okay. Oh my goodness, we have 2 sheets. How fun is that? Let's go ahead and see how these, ooh, I love these. These turned out so cute. We're definitely going to have to use these in a scrapbooking spread. Okay, moving on to the next stickers. I also designed these ones. I love how these turned out. These are beautiful colors. I'm so excited about these. Okay, so we have 3 different sizes. We have a large, medium, and small. I love them all. 2 more sheets of these beautiful stickers. Let's see how they peel up. Oh, I love these. I can't wait to use these in some scrapbook spreads or as decoration on a journal. These are going to be so cute. So these are the 2 packs of stickers that I designed, so be sure to go check them out on her Etsy shop. I will link it down below because they are so cute. You are definitely going to need them in your stationery collection. Next up, we have her Winter Wonderland stickers. These are what she designed. Oh my goodness, there's so many sheets. So we have these 2 super cute sheets. I love how these turned out, and I love the colors. These are so cute and will be so cute on a wintry spread. Ooh, look at these. These are almost like washi tape swatches, and I love these little dot stickers. I use them all the time. I can't wait to use these in future spreads. Alright, last but not least is our Visco sticker set. These are so cute. I love the brown paper packaging too. Super cute. Okay, so we have 2 more sheets of these as well. I love these stickers. These are Super cute, especially these flowered ones. I love them, and I love all things little rainbows. Those are darling. I love these pastel colors, and then the muted colored rainbows. Those are my favorite, and I love the little explorer. All of these stickers are so cute. I love how all of these stickers turned out. We have our Winter Wonderland stickers, our little boho stickers I designed, our little green circle stickers, our visco stickers. I love how all of these turned out. These are so cute. A huge thank you to Artsy A Design Co. for sending all of these fun goodies over, along with the darling letter and little bracelets and clip. I just felt so loved. Be sure to go shop her Etsy shop. I will leave a link down below, and make sure to go hit that subscribe button on her channel to make her feel loved and give her some support. I hope you enjoyed this video and unboxing of all of these adorable stickers, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye! Oh my goodness! Guys, there's extra stickers! Oh my goodness, thank you so much, Artsy A, for sending this over. These are so cute. Guys, you need to go shop her Etsy shop.